Hello students and welcome to this session. Today we are going to start with the WordPress files. Means we will learn what are the important files in the WordPress. So let's go to the XAMPP, htdocs and our website name, that is demo website. So here you can see there are some files which is important. Okay, so let's consider the important. Let's find out what are the important files and why they are required. So first of all, I want to tell you that the WordPress root directory contains some special configuration files. This files contains important settings to your WordPress site. So firstly, we will start with the WP admin. Now this folder contains administrative files that powers the WordPress dashboard. Here you can see the CSS files, images, whatever you are going to upload, and you can see some many files are there. Admin.php, then comment.php, all the files are mostly in the WP admin folder only. Okay, next is WP content. This folder contains plugins, themes and uploads. Means whatever plugins you are going to upload, that plugin will be placed here. So here you can see Akismet, this is the by default plugin in the WordPress. Okay, then themes, whatever themes you are going to upload or download, all will be placed here. So here you can see 2019, 2017 and 2020. These are the default themes of the WordPress. Next is uploads. Uploads means whatever images you are going to upload, here your images will be uploaded. First, when I go to uploads, here you can see year, that is 2020. Then you can see the month, that is 12. And after that, when you upload your image, so according to the date, it will be segregated. Okay, so this was about the WP content. Next is WP includes. Files in this folders are responsible for how WordPress look. Most of the WordPress core files are stored in this folder. This folder is larger in size. Next file I am going to tell you is htaccess. Here you can see the file is all are with the extension, some extension that is .php. But when you see htaccess file, this file has no extensions like HTML, text or PHP. Using htaccess, you can make several changes to your WordPress site. Sometimes this file is hidden. In that case, you can go to your dashboard. So here I will tell you, if when your htaccess file is not found, what you will do. So here I am first login to localhost 8080 and your website name, that is demo website. Okay, here you will go, then it will ask for the login and password. So we have not started the XAMPP, so first let's start the XAMPP. Let's search for the XAMPP control panel. Okay, then from here you will start and let's refresh it. You need to go to the login, so WP admin. Login for it is demo website, and also your password is whatever password you have kept, just log in with that. Okay, now here if you don't have htaccess file, what you will do, you will go to the settings. Okay, just go to the settings, go to permalinks and you just need to save the changes. Okay, you don't have to do anything, just save the changes. When you do this, the file will automatically get reflect here. Okay, htaccess file will be created. Next file we are going to see is index.php. This file is basically loads and initialize all your WordPress files when a page is requested by a user. Next is wp-config file. Here you can see wp-config.php. This file tells WordPress how to connect your database when you make your website live. you need to make changes in wp-config file only. Whenever you are going to live your website, you need to make changes in wp-config file only. Means what is your database name, what is the password for it, what is your login and password, you need to change in the config.php. And lastly, I will tell you about the readme. You can see this file readme. So basically this file contains the details about your website. Means here you can see the system requirement, means what your system is required, that is PHP version, MySQL. This contains the details about your website. Example, system requirement I told you. This file is not required when you make your website live. So remove this file from your folder. So whenever you're going to live your website, just delete this file from your folders. Okay, whatever your WordPress folder is, suppose demo website, from this folder you need to delete the readme file. So this was all about the important files in WordPress. Thank you for watching this session.